In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock a Word form so only fields can be filled. This is a quick, reliable way to keep your documents' layout, wording, and formatting safe, while still allowing people to type in the parts you intended, like text boxes, drop-downs, and date pickers. It's perfect for forms, questionnaires, and templates you share with others. Start by opening your document in Microsoft Word and heading to the Review tab at the top of the window. On the right side of that tab, look for the option called Restrict Editing. Click it, and a panel will open on the right side of your screen. This panel controls what can and can't be changed in your file. In that panel, check the box that says, "Allow only this type of editing in the document." Once you check it, a drop-down menu becomes active. From that list, choose Filling in Forms. This tells Word to lock everything except the form fields you've already added, whether they're content controls or legacy fields. After you choose Filling in Forms, take a moment to think about what that means. People will still be able to click into the fields and type, but they won't be able to edit your instructions, headings, or layout by mistake. If you click around in the preview of your document, you'll see that the non-field areas are about to be protected. Now confirm the protection. In the same panel, click Yes, Start Enforcing Protection. Word will ask whether you want to add a password. This is optional, but strongly recommended if you're sharing the file and you don't want others to turn off the protection. If you do add a password, choose something you can store securely and remember that it's case-sensitive. If you prefer not to use a password, you can leave those fields blank and click OK. Just be aware that anyone with the file could remove the protection later. After you click OK, your document is locked. You'll notice that you can tab between fields, type in them, and use drop-downs, but you can't edit the rest of the text. That's exactly what we want. A quick tip: consider saving a clean, unlocked master copy for yourself, so you always have a version you can adjust in the future. Also, if you plan to distribute a PDF, remember that locking in Word affects the Word document. PDFs have their own protection settings. That's it. Fast, clear, and secure. With these settings, your form stays consistent, and your users get a smooth, fill-only experience.